Do you know that Albuquerque Academy is the home to the only 2 Foucault pendulums in New Mexico? The Foucault pendulum, or Foucault's pendulum, named after the French physicist Léon Foucault, is a simple device conceived as an experiment to demonstrate the rotation of the Earth. How did the Academy get to be the home of not 1, but 2 Foucault pendulums? Back in the early 60s, when the Wyoming campus was being developed, the original construction plans for the senior school, now called Brown Hall, called for a space for a pendulum. The pendulum itself was created by Science Department Chair William Klebacher, Doc Harrington, and Visual Arts faculty member Lou Bedoin, with the help of Academy alum Ford Davis, class of '72. When the pendulum was completed, alumnus Michael Omer, also of the class of '72, inlaid the metalwork of the compass rose on the base for his senior project. Years later, when plans for the new Science Center were being developed, it was decided that the tradition of a pendulum was to be honored in the new facility. So a second pendulum was installed as the centerpiece of the new science building where we are right now.